Hi everyone, here we've got LENOVO Tab E7 and let me share with you how to change video quality or video resolution on this device. So first thing we have to enter obviously the camera app, so let's do that. And here we have to enter the settings, which are right here. I'm not sure if you can see that, but just tap on the two bars icon. Just tap on it. Okay, as you can see here, we've got the video size, and this is actually the only option connected to the video which we can change. So just tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got two different options from which we can choose. Right now we've got 480p option applied, and you can say it because this option is marked, but we can change it for 720p. So all you have to do is simply tap on this option, and as you can see, it immediately changes, so which means that from now on your device will record videos in chosen size and quality. So actually that's all. This is how to change video size, quality in your LENOVO Tab E7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.